Hi guys, today we are going to unbox this Aptonia Dectalon foam roller or 3-in-1 massage kit. Come, let's unbox.
Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
This contains a ball roller, a foam roller and body roller. We can use this in different positions to cover the entire body. Here's the way to use different rolling massages for 3 different things. Also, Dectalon offers free videos to teach the using procedure. Let's unbox this and explore inside. This costs around 2300 INR. The actual price was 2800 INR. But for now, Dectalon offers some discount. Wow, the foam roller itself feels really steady. It's made up of high density foam, which is perfect for maintaining its shape and durability over time. The surface has this textured pattern that looks like it will provide some serious muscle relief. Looking closer, you can twist and uncap this cap and you find this ball roller. It feels super grip in my hands, especially for the feet muscles. It must give super perfect massage and pain relief for your feet. Same as a ball, you can use this body roller in your legs, hip and neck regions to get relieved from muscle tension. It's got this ergonomic handles on each end which will make it easier to grip and control during workouts. Plus it's lightweight so I can easily take it with me to gym or when traveling. Overall, I am really impressed with this foam roller. It's well designed, effective and feels like it's going to be a great addition to my recovery routine. If you are in the market for a foam roller, definitely consider checking this one out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness content. Thanks so much for watching.